How to start coding for beginners. So, whether you're interested in building websites, creating apps, or exploring the fascinating field of artificial intelligence, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Before we jump into coding, it's essential to have a clear roadmap. Here are the steps you can follow to begin your coding journey. Step 1. Choose a programming language. There are numerous programming languages to choose from, such as Python, JavaScript, C++, and many more. But as a beginner, we recommend starting with a language that's beginner-friendly and widely used, like Python. It has a simple syntax and a vast community to support you along the way. Step 2. Set up your development environment. To write code, you'll need a text editor or an integrated development environment, IDE. Some popular choices include Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, and Sublime Text. Choose one that suits your needs and install it on your computer. Step 3. Learn the basics of programming. Now that you have your tools ready, it's time to learn the fundamentals of programming. Start with concepts like variables, data types, loops, and conditional statements. Online platforms like Codecademy, FreeCodeCamp, and Udemy offer interactive tutorials and courses to help you grasp these concepts. Step 4. Practice, practice, practice. Coding is all about practice. Start with small projects and gradually work your way up. Break down larger projects into smaller, manageable tasks. Websites like LeetCode and HackerRank offer coding challenges and problem-solving exercises to enhance your skills. Step 5. Join coding communities. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can be incredibly beneficial. Join coding communities, forums, or social media groups where you can share your progress, ask questions, and learn from others. Collaboration and support are crucial when you're starting out. Step 6. Build projects. As you gain confidence, start building your projects. Choose projects that align with your interests and gradually increase their complexity. Building real-world applications or websites will help you apply your knowledge and give you a sense of accomplishment. Step 7. Embrace documentation and online resources. Coding is a continuous learning process, and you'll often encounter challenges along the way. Embrace the power of documentation and online resources like official language documentation, Stack Overflow, and YouTube tutorials. These resources will guide you through troubleshooting and finding solutions to your coding problems. Step 8. Collaborate and contribute. Once you feel comfortable with coding, consider collaborating on open-source projects or contributing to existing ones. This will not only enhance your coding skills but also expose you to real-world development practices and teamwork. Step 9. Stay up to date. The world of coding is constantly evolving, with new frameworks, libraries, and technologies being introduced regularly. Stay up to date with the latest trends by following industry blogs, attending conferences, or subscribing to coding newsletters. Step 10. Never stop learning. Finally, remember that coding is a lifelong learning journey. Always be curious, explore new concepts, and challenge yourself. The more you learn, the more doors will open for exciting opportunities in the world of technology. And that's it for today's video. We hope this beginner's guide to coding has inspired you to take the first step. Remember, it's never too late to start coding. So grab your laptop, choose a programming language, and embark on this exciting adventure. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.